For every child, education is more than a classroom. It is a pathway to opportunity, a source of confidence, and a foundation for a better future. But conflict, displacement, poverty, and disruption can take that opportunity away. In Tigray, thousands of children have faced these barriers. For many of them, Tigrai Development Association is helping open the door again, giving children a second chance to learn, grow, and hope. Through its partnership with the Luminos Fund, TDA is implementing the Second Chance project through the structured Accelerated Learning Program, Direct Delivery, and Accelerated Learning Program approaches, SALP, DD, and AADP. The initiative is reaching 9,150 learners in Enderta, Endamekhoni, Raya Azebo, and Enda Alaje. The goal is clear: to improve access, quality education while strengthening the socio-economic resilience of vulnerable children and their communities. For children who were out of school or whose education was interrupted, these programs provide a pathway back into learning. They are rebuilding the skills that matter most: foundational literacy, numeracy, confidence, and the ability to continue learning. The impact goes beyond enrollment. Children are gaining access to inclusive and equitable learning opportunities. Teachers and education institutions are strengthening their capacity to deliver quality accelerated learning. And learners are developing the foundational literacy and numeracy skills they need to succeed. Every lesson completed is a step forward. Every child returning to learning is a future restored. But restoring education requires more than bringing children back to classrooms. It requires making sure that children stay, learn, and successfully transition to the next stage of their education. Through its partnership with Education Cannot Wait's multi-year residence program MYRP II, implemented with Save the Children and consortium members, TDA is working to improve holistic learning for crisis-affected boys and girls, including children with disabilities. The program is targeting 72,000 students across 6 woredas: Iro, Chela, Adwa, Tatai Macho, Tatai Koraro, and Enda Alaje. The focus is on increasing access and retention, improving foundational learning, strengthening learning transition, and building stronger education coordination mechanisms. A child cannot learn well when hunger stands between them and the classroom. That's why today's education work also connects learning with nutrition and well-being. Through the school meal program implemented with the SCNDV, today is supporting children across 10 towns of Tigray. From Shiraro and Shire to Aksum, Adwa, Adigrat, Woro, Abiy Adi, Maqala, Machau, and Koram. The program is helping children receive nutritious milk while supporting their health, learning, and overall well-being. At the same time, the initiative contributes to strengthening the local dairy value chain, because when we invest in children, we must invest in the conditions that allow them to learn. Behind every number is a child who wants to learn, a child who wants to dream, a child who deserves the opportunity to build a future. For 9,150 learners receiving a second chance, for thousands of crisis-affected children gaining access to quality and inclusive education, and for children receiving the nutrition they need to learn and thrive. These interventions are more than projects, they are pathways to possibilities. Today, I believe that education is one of the most powerful investments a society can make. That's why we work with communities, government institutions, and partners to restore access, improve quality, and create opportunities for every child to learn. Together with the Luminos Fund, Save the Children, Education Cannot Wait, SCNDV, and our consortium and community partners, we are helping transform disruption into opportunity, because every child deserves a chance. Together, we can keep children learning. Together, we can rebuild education. Together, we can build a brighter future for Tigray.